Hello guys and welcome back to SOP Academy. So in this video we have two off-campus hiring updates. The first company which is hiring is DXC Technology through MCAT and the second company is EPAM India. So first we will start with DXC Technology. So DXC is hiring for the role of associate professional. The qualifications which are eligible are BE and BTech from 2021 batch only. The experience required is freshers. The salary they are offering is 3.6 LPA. The locations being provided are Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon or Hyderabad. So you require 60% at least in your 10th, 12th and graduation and not more than 2 years of gaps in education. And there must be no active backlogs. So that is the eligibility criteria for this company. So to apply for this company, you have to fill this form. I have provided the link for this form in the description. So you will enter your name, date of birth, mobile number, 10th percentage, diploma percentage if you have done diploma, graduation branch, graduation college city, nationality, any active backlogs, 0 if none. So if you don't have backlog, you will enter 0, your gender, email ID, alternate mobile number, 12th percentage, graduation college name, graduation year of passing, gaps in education, 0 if none, and where did you learn about this opportunity. So all the fields are mandatory except the diploma one. So you will have to fill all the details and then you will click on submit. So if you are eligible, you will soon receive the test link from DXC Technology. The second company which is hiring is EPAM. So this is the Microsoft form. So first let us see the eligibility criteria or the role they are offering. So first the role junior software engineer. The eligibility criteria only 2020 batch is eligible. The streams which are eligible are BE, BTech, MTech engineering graduates. You must have at least 60% throughout your 10th, 12th and graduation. Experience required is 0 to 12 months. In between this, with relevant training or work experience either in Core Java, JavaScript, Angular, React.js or C#, ASP, Addon.NET, along with knowledge of data structures and algorithms and OOPS concepts. So the job location being provided here is Hyderabad, Pune, Bengaluru, Chennai and Gurugram. Training location will be Hyderabad. So hiring process, one round of online coding assessment. If you clear this round, you will move on to the technical interview and at last there will be an HR interview. The CTC being offered is 6 lakhs per annum plus some other standard benefits. If you are selected and offered, you will be assigned to one of the following 3 technical practice. So between these 3 practices, any of these can be your job role. So open source Java, Microsoft, .NET or C# and front-end technologies. So these are the 3 basic domains. If you want to know the job description of each and every domain, you have to click on the link provided. The online coding assessment date is Saturday 4th of September. And the joining will start from 1st of November to 1st of December. The last date to apply for this company is September 1, 2021. So you have 3 to 4 more days. So you have to just fill this Google form out and if you are eligible, you will receive the test link. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.